All living things on earth have been created with miraculous features and astonishing abilities. One can see hundreds of proofs of Allah's magnificent creation by examining just one single species. Birds, a group consisting of some 10,000 species, are well worth reflecting on and examining. Each separate species has been equipped with its own amazing characteristics, with their bright plumage and attractive appearances, sounds and songs that all carry a different message, flawless flight mechanisms that inspire modern aircraft, the ability to build nests, and their migratory expertise. Birds possess countless features that all represent proof of the fact of creation. At the same time, birds have also been created with a special ability in terms of establishing social groups. Many species of bird live in communities. They thus warn each other of approaching dangers. They work together to find food and shelter. They also help one another by engaging in altruistic behavior. Some birds are particularly noteworthy in terms of their intelligence and various abilities. For instance, they can dance. They can play games with you. They can understand what you say. They can even imitate sounds. Most of us have heard of birds' ability to talk, and we may even have seen this on the television or witnessed it live. There is no doubt that these creatures' ability to talk or imitate speech is something quite out of the ordinary. Human beings find it difficult to imitate someone else's voice or speech. The way that tiny birds are able to flawlessly replicate a great many sounds or exhibit the ability to talk is a most extraordinary state of affairs. All these miraculous properties of birds are means whereby we can witness the infinite might of Allah. Allah draws our attention to birds in a verse from the Quran. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. Do you not see that everyone in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah, as do the birds with their outspread wings? Each one knows its prayer and glorification. Allah knows what they do.